Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can insert a large table into your Google Docs. So let's go quick into the process. So I have I have prepared this sample table for you in the Microsoft Excel, and we are going to insert or copy this table into the Google Docs. So first thing that we need to do is we need to select this whole table in the Microsoft Excel. Now once done, just simply press Ctrl C on keyboard, Ctrl C to copy. Now once the whole table has been copied from the Microsoft Excel, let's open our Google Docs. Then here, before we are going to paste our table, we need to set up our Google Docs or our page first. So at the ribbon, you will find these options: File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Extensions, and Help. Click on the File tab, and here you will find Page Setup. Click on that. Now in this window, we have to simply choose the second option, which is Pageless, and click on OK. Then we are now going to paste it. So press Ctrl V on keyboard to paste the table. And as you can see, we have just pasted the table. But on your view, there is no line in it. Okay? So there are no lines in it. So how can we put a line into this one? So just have to simply select the whole table. Okay? Now once selected, we just need to simply click on this option. Three dots more, and you'll find this one. Okay, so let's choose it again. Then click on the three dots. And here you will find this option. Now the table has not been totally selected. Okay. Click on these three dots under the ribbon. So under the ribbon, you will find these options. Then you just have to simply select these three dots and then so make sure you're going to select the whole table. Okay. And you will find this option from here, border width. Click on that and simply choose your preference. And that's it. You have just inserted the large table from the Microsoft Excel into your Google Docs. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.